Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning Point with DK. And today, as I told you in the last video, that is, I will explain, answer questions, and so I'm here to tell you this. So let's start now. What is this here? The first question is given: who does Lancho have complete faith in? And which sentences in the story tell you this? So let's see here the answer. Lancho has complete faith in God. Why he has complete faith in God? Because this is unshakable. Lancho is a very simple person. He lives on a low hill in a hut, and his faith is unbreakable. And that's why he could not feel anything else except the complete faith in God. So the answer is very simple. Lancho has complete faith in God. Who does Lancho have complete faith in? Lancho has complete faith in God. Then which sentences? So you will see here the sentences are he wrote to God on the envelope. So he wrote this is how this sentence tells us that he has faith in God, complete faith in God. Because when he wrote to God, it means definitely he thought when he would write this letter to God and then drop in the post box, definitely this letter would be reached to the God. And that's why here Lancho wrote to God. This is next one. So this line tells us he has complete faith in God. Next sentence which tells us this is what faith. I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter. So this sentence, who said? This is told by the postmaster. And why he said? Because what faith I wish. So he's saying what faith means. It's not a bad one remark. It's a very wonderful remark given by the postmaster for Lancho. He said, this is incredible. The postmaster said, this is incredible faith. It is a great faith that one can have in God. How can a person have faith this much that he's writing a letter to God? And that's why the postmaster somewhere thought he should have had that faith what he didn't have in God. This is why he wanted to help the farmer Lancho. Clear? The next one is God. Of the money that I asked for, only 70 pesos reached me. Send me the rest since I need it very much. So this is the last one sentence. You can see what does it mean. Here, Lancho is very much a box, a complaint box. He makes complaints against the employees of the post office and the postmaster. As he had complete faith in God, so he could not believe that God could make any mistake. Definitely, God sent him as his faith is unshakable. So, completely faith in God, so he could not think God could make mistake because God is Almighty and He is able. He is able. The God could send him 100 pesos, what he asked for. So the God could not make mistake. God could not deny him to give him 100 pesos. So where the money gone? And that's why here this is Lancho said that the money, God of the money that I asked for, that is the money, what the money he asked for, Lancho asked for, only 70 rupees, that is only 70 rupees arrived to him. And that's why he could not believe in that this much of money could be sent to him. It's not possible. Reach me. So now he is asking the God, the rest of 30 pesos will be sent to him directly, not by mail. This is since send me the rest since I need it very much. And also saying he needed the money very much. Clear? Next one. This is the second question. Why does the postmaster send money to Lancho? And why does he sign the letter God? You see, why does the postmaster send money to Lancho? Because the postmaster, as I told you here, see, what faith I wish I had the faith of the man. What does it mean? The postmaster was very much mesmerized with the charismatic and then incredible faith of farmer in God. And that's why what he said here, he said, what faith? It's a great faith. So here the answer you have, why does the postmaster send? Because the postmaster doesn't want to let the faith of the man Lencho be broken, which is unshakable, unshakable, remain unbreakable. And that's why he, the postmaster, doesn't want to let the faith of Lancho be broken. And so he sent the money to him. But he could only arrange 70 pesos, that was 30 rupees, for less. This is now next question you see here. Okay, one more question. Why does he sign the letter God? So he signed at the end God because the postmaster does not want this man, the farmer Lancho, know he has sent the money. He wanted Lancho must understand the money was sent to him by God, so that his feelings, his faith, which is unbreakable, remains unbreakable, unshakable. His belief of firm faith in God remains firm, rigid. That's why. Next is, did Lancho try to find out who had sent the money to him? And why not? Very simple. When Lancho had unshakable faith, how he could feel, how could he think of even one time the money was sent by anybody else? So that's why here simply, no, Lancho didn't try to find out at all who, sorry, two times who is mentioned here, who had sent the money, because his faith is unbreakable, his faith is unshakable, that cannot be broken. So he had not a single time, even one time, once the thought even did not come in his mind, the money could be sent except God to him. And that's why he did not think, or even he did not try to find out who sent him money, because he wrote this with firm faith in God, to God. And so he thought the money was sent to him by God. That's all.